It is finally time to unbox the Switch, so let's get started. So far the Switch feels really nice. The buttons on the Joy-Cons are smaller than I was expecting, but feels really good. Feels like a really good quality. So I'm gonna plug this in and get it started so then I can start playing Zelda. Firstly though, I'll probably like make a Mii and play around with the settings though.
Open your eyes. Wake up, Link.
Hello. You're a bit sleepy. I've been playing the game for about 2 hours now and I'm really enjoying it. It is different to other Zelda games, but at the same time it still has that Zelda feel to it, and I'm having so much fun exploring. I feel like I haven't done much in the game. I'm still on the Great Plateau. I haven't jumped off that yet, but I feel like I'm just scratching the surface because this game looks massive, and I almost feel like I'm being too slow and exploring too much, but it is a Zelda game and it's designed, you know, to be explored, so I'm having a lot of fun. So yeah, I think I'm gonna have lunch now and then I'm gonna continue playing. Audrey's got her 1,000-yard stare going on.
She done been through some real shit.
She just did like squinty eye. What is that noisy bird doing, It's a noisy miner, by the way. I've decided to put my hair up just because I was overheating a little bit, and I know I could take off, you know, like my pajama top and my track pants, but I do want to keep my comfy clothes on. And also, it is raining today, so it is quite cool outside. For some reason, it's just quite warm inside, but I have opened up the door downstairs where we have a fly screen, so the cool air is coming in. But yeah, no, I'm having a lot of fun playing Zelda. I finally got off the Great Plateau and I've discovered a couple of new places and it's just really awesome. I still feel like I haven't done anything and I feel like there's so much more to discover, and there probably is because this looks like a massive game and I'm so excited to continue exploring. So in saying that, I'm gonna get back to playing. The controller is pretty comfortable. My hands haven't gotten sore at all, which is good, and it feels pretty natural, so pretty happy about that. This is what Link looks like so far. These are the clothes and weapons and stuff I've got. My makeup is really starting to wear off now and it's looking really shiny, so I'm going to take it off and get ready for bed because I'm getting pretty tired. I had a lot of fun playing Zelda today and I'm looking forward to playing it tomorrow and the day after. This is like my Zelda weekend, so yes, anyway, thank you all for watching and I will see you all next time.